Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Clogbot on your iOS or Android device. This does not require a server or a computer. Someone has turned Clawdbot into an installable mobile app, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get it. Since it's not on the App Store or Google Play Store, the installation process is a little different, but it still connects through those systems. You will need an OpenAI account, a Claude account, or another AI service that Clogbot can connect to. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your iOS or Android device is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to your settings and see if there are any updates available for your phone. If not, then you're good to go. The next thing you need to do is head over to the pinned comment down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Clogbot. So just head over to the pinned comment, and if this method works for you, make sure to leave a like at the end. That's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.